In this brief video clip we are going to show you how to use Google Advanced Search. Google Advanced Search is typically used if you want to look for very specific resources. What you're looking at now is the standard Google interface, and we will first try to look for something like curriculum design. And you see that we have almost 3 million hits here. This is if you just type curriculum design. Okay, we will return to the start screen, and here you see advanced search. If you click that, you come to a screen where you can specify at a much more detailed level your search strings. We will again do curriculum design. But now we are going to look for specific curricula in the field of entrepreneurship, or maybe something like, let's say, SMEs, or say self-employment. And we also want to only find not just general websites, but websites with documents in it. So we select file type PDF, and then we will do the advanced search. And what we find now is still 102,000 hits, but having to do with entrepreneurship in a very specific field. And all these hits contain or are PDFs. So this is already much more specific than what we had earlier. We can even do a more advanced search. I go back to advanced search here. You see that the search strings are still here. And I say OK. I go to even more specific. Open the screen there. And you can choose date. So if you want to find very recent documents or website, you can click anything here. Something on usage rights, which in theory would be very good. For example, because you could say, okay, I want only to find things that are free to use, share or modify. But in practice this is not very usable yet, because most websites don't mention anything specifically on this. But region. Okay, we will look for Zambia and then say advanced search. Now the number of hits has been brought down to 1240, but in fact it's only 20, because you see we have 2 pages here. Page 2 of 20 results, because the number of PDFs is 20 in that total amount of, was it 1240. So what we have found now are 20 PDF files related to curriculum design in the Teveta field and related to Zambia.